I am often asked in Germany and Europe whether Galaxy AI is real and reliable. I've been using it myself for about 6 months now, and over the next few weeks I'll gradually show you more and more of it here. Today, I'll show you the YouTube video summarizer within it. How many of us wish to watch one YouTube video after another, but nearly nobody has enough time for this? So I created a habit of transcribing the videos to text, and so I can read the essence of the videos within minutes instead of sitting hours to watch all the content in a movie instead. This makes you mega efficient, since YouTube is the world's most actual and complete library that exists. You find everything there and it's endless content for your own social media marketing. So go ahead, open the YouTube video summarizer within Galaxy AI, then go to YouTube, look for a video that you want to transcribe to text and copy its URL. Simple as that. Go back to Galaxy AI and paste the copied URL into the summarizer field and off we go. Seconds later, you have the complete video in text form. In my example, I wanted to know if trading robots really work. My result is now a 3-minute read instead of sitting and watching the video. Second advantage you created now, a big amount of meaningful text that you can take over into every word processor, into every large language model, or into every marketing tool to create a new form of content out of it. You can even go as far and create software development out of video transcripts, since Galaxy AI can use the transcript as a new detailed prompt. Galaxy AI is the best AI tool suite on the market at the best price you can imagine. Over 2,000 AI programs under a user-friendly web interface, and all for just $15 a month. The YouTube Summarizer is great efficiency booster for your daily work. Create content like never before. Go and get your own Galaxy AI copy. The link is in the first comment, or simply check out the domain in the video and get it there.